dietetic intern from Indiana State with the American Dairy Association. Today, I'm going to be making the Chunky Monkey recipe. So I will be putting together all the ingredients into the blender, and then I'll have Rita and Caroline take it away and make it on the blender bike. So smoothies are a great option for breakfast, snacks, or for after a workout. So it'll be perfect after you blend up your smoothie on the blender bike. So the only ingredients you will need today are 2 cups of chocolate milk, 1 cup of vanilla yogurt, and 1 banana. Now the great thing about the smoothie is that it has a lot of nutritional benefits. So the chocolate milk provides you protein, and it can also refuel your muscles after a workout because it has a mix of carbohydrates and proteins. And with the yogurt, you can get many probiotics, and it's also a very good source of protein. And then if you use 1 large banana, then you'll get 1 serving of fruit for the day. So the only thing you have to do for this recipe is put all the ingredients into a blender. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Banana. And then I'll add the chocolate milk. And lastly, the yogurt. So now that I have everything in the blender, I'll let Rita and Caroline take it away and blend it up on the blender bike.
Thanks, Mary. Now Rita's going to show us how to blend the smoothie using the bike. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll show you some activities that you can pair with the smoothie bike to keep kids active and engaged.